Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to transfer a custom wave sound in your Yamaha DTX502. This is my DTX and this is my DTP532 drum kit with my dear and loyal Woodron. I think this is a very good drum. I know that this is not the most professional drum and honestly there's no comparison with the acoustic drum, but I think that if you play good and set it correctly, it will give you a lot of satisfaction. Okay, in this little control panel you can find a lot of sounds, effects and options, but today I want to show you how to copy a custom wave sound. This is a very interesting operation because you can play any wave sound on your drum. For example, you can transfer and play a sound of a percussion instrument or any other sounds you want. At the same time, I saw that this operation has some limitations. I don't know why, but for example, if you use a custom sound for Crash or Ride model PCY135, you lose the possibility to produce distinct sound striking the different parts of the pad. So for example, if you strike the cap, the edge or the main surface of the cymbal, you'll have the same sound for all these parts. We have the same problem with the snare drum XP80 and its rim, and with Charleston pad RHH135. The last one is a very serious problem for a drummer because you'll have no sound difference between open and close hi-hat. If you know how to fix this problem, please let me know in the comments. Anyway, despite these limitations, I think that this transferring mode is very helpful, and I'll show you anyway how to copy wave files. So let's get to the point. All we need is the DTX with a pad. In this video I'll use the snare drum, a computer with the software Yamaha Music Soft Downloader, and a classic printer cable. Make sure that it's no longer than 3 meters and don't use an USB 3.0 cable. Take a look to other precautions in the manual at the page 79 in the paragraph connecting to a computer. Remember that you can easily find and download the manual in the Yamaha official site. So first we start to connect this cable in the rear panel and later we'll connect the USB cable. Okay, now let's go to the computer. Okay, first we needed to install the software Music Soft Downloader. I downloaded from the official site. It's very simple to find in Google. Click agree and download. In this video I'm using Windows 10 for this operation. So after download, extract the zip file, open installation file and click install. Finish. Now, before transferring our custom sound in DTX, let's prepare the wave file to be compatible for the DTX machine, because the DTX502 can read only 16-bit wave audio files with a 44.1 kHz sample rate. For this operation I used Audacity because it's very simple to use. Probably is the most simple DAW to make this type of operations, especially when you need to cut a track. Let's make a fast demonstration. Open the audio file you want to transfer, in this case a sound of an acoustic snare drum. This is an old version of Audacity, but it works anyway. As you can see, it's very simple to regulate resolution and frequency. Frequency is already okay, 44.1 kHz, so I regulate only resolution, 16-bit. And as you can see, it's very simple to save in wave format. So remember these 3 conditions: 16-bit wave format file, 44.1 kHz sample rate, and the last condition, very important, you have to rename the file using a number from 01 to 20. Remember to use a different number for every file you transfer. If you respect this condition, the audio will work correctly with the DTX. I want to give you a fast recommendation. Don't use too much long audio files because more duration means more space occupied in the DTX storage, and this one is very limited. Usually I use audio file no longer than 1 second. So now we can transfer the WAV file to the DTX. Connect a USB cable to the computer. I think you don't need to wait installation driver is complete because the DTX works automatically in Windows 7, 8 and 10. So open Music Soft Downloader. Click Electronic Musical Instruments and wait few seconds. Usually the first connection fails and you see an error message. So click Connection Check, select DTX Drums and click Check again. Okay, now you can see the flash memory of DTX. Click Add File and open your audio file. Now open flash memory and click Move on the down arrow. Okay, now it's copying and you can see it on the display too. Please make very attention to not disconnect or turn off the DTX while it's copying file. Okay, it's finished. Now we have a new file and you can close Music Soft Downloader. Before disconnect the DTX, always wait the DTX machine stops working. If necessary, disconnect the USB cable using Safely Remove. Okay, now you can disconnect the DTX. Okay, let's select an empty kit tuning data dial, for example the 59. Now press right arrow one time. Hit the pad you want to change sound. Now search the custom sound you have copied. Here it is. You can hear it on the pad, so it works. Now click Save, save another time and save again. And now press Kit. You can rename the kit if you want. Remember that you can improve the sound regulating volume, tuning, decay, etc. You can find all the information about the regulation of drum kit on the manual at the page 19. The manual of DTX502 is very helpful to use the E-drum in the best way. Okay, I hope this video will be useful for someone. For any question or criticism, you can leave a comment. Sorry for my English. Bye.